When should you use a home equity loan, or what's called a HELOAN? When you have a lot of equity in the property and you want to leverage that equity without touching the first mortgage. So for example, in 2020 or 2021, you may have locked in a really low interest rate on your first and you don't want to touch that, but you still want to be able to access the cash in your home. It's really important that you do that in a responsible way. You do not want to use your home as an ATM. A lot of people in 2007, 2008 got in trouble because they used their home like an ATM. You want to make sure that you're leveraging that equity and putting it back into the home with renovations or home improvements. Or if you want to free up cash flow, maybe you have some high interest debt on some credit cards that's 20 or 30% and you want to consolidate that to a lower payment. That makes sense, but you don't want to go out and buy a boat or a car or a truck or a bike or whatever. You want to make sure you're being responsible, and you can reach out to Griffin Funding for a free consultation and we can go over your options.